Hello, our final step in revising our essay before we're going to start editing it is variety of sentences. So what I would like you to do is take these notes on how to create variety of sentences. Now, variety of sentences makes your essay more interesting, easier to follow, and people want to continue reading. So variety of sentences, what does that mean? That means that you're not writing the same form of a sentence over and over and over again. And this is how we could do that. So we're going to put this here. Variety of sentences. Okay. We could do with a describing word. And I'm going to do an example. I'm going to write the same sentence, but in many different ways. Okay? This is going to be about endangered tigers. Okay? So endangered tigers need your help. So the describing word is endangered. So all of these are going to be essentially the same information about endangered tigers needing help, okay, or they're going to be extinct, or they're endangered, and something's going to happen to them if they're not saved. So, but I'm going to rephrase them in different ways. So the second way I can do it is with a question. I can turn this into a question. Are all tigers endangered? I can use a transition word in my sentence, which in our previous lesson, you have a huge list of transition words that you can use. You don't just have to use a transition word in the beginning of a paragraph. You can use them throughout the paragraphs. Since is a transition word. Since tigers are being hunted illegally, they are becoming extinct. There was a comma after that. Okay, the next one could be with the word to. Okay. To keep tigers from being endangered, the laws need to be upheld. So these are all the same, they're just written differently. So you can see I have a huge variety of sentences. 5, you can use a with an ing word. Hunting for Amur tigers is against the law. Amur, I am not sure if I said that right. And the ing would be hunting. And then the other one would be with an exclamation word or an excitement word. Stop poaching. Stop. Poaching is illegal. And that would be the illegal hunting. Okay, so those are different ways that we can use a variety of sentences. So now I have my essay part of my essay that I'm going to bring over here. And I'm going to cross off some sentences and change them to where they would use one of these here. So finish taking those notes. Pause it. Okay, so actually, I'm going to keep this over here. Let's adjust the camera. Okay, so what is manifest destiny? And this is before we changed all of our words and things like that too. So we're going to change, I want to use where it says they also wanted to spread Christianity because they wanted their territory. They also wanted to. These are too similar. The sentences are too similar. So I want to cross this off, and I'm going to put spreading Christianity and getting rich were other goals in mind. So I'm using that ing word. Spreading Christianity. Am I going to be able to? There we go. Spreading Christianity and getting rich were other goals in mind. That way I don't have the same sentence. They wanted their territory. They wanted to spread. That just, it repeats too much. We want to have a variety of those sentences. So then I'm going to look at my next page. The rest of this looks good. I have a variety of sentences in here. Okay. My next page, I want to look here where it says many settlers believed that God bless the growth of the American nation, so they were determined. I want to cross that off, and I want to use the ing again. Okay. I want to change it to believing that God bless the growth of the American nation. Oh, there's not a sentence there, or a comma there. Of the American nation. Many settlers were determined to go west. I think that sounds better. Another motivator for expansion was Americans were dedicated to spread Christianity to more Native Americans. Believing that God blessed the growth of the American nation, many settlers were determined to go west and convert Native Americans to Christianity. I think that sounds much better. And so those are the two sentences that I would switch out. And what I would like you to do is find 3 sentences in your essay that you are going to switch around to either do ing, do it with a question. You're going to change them around and submit those for credit.